Hi learners, welcome. In this session, I'm going to explain one of the electronic effect that we generally see in organic molecules, that is inductive effect. So let's discuss about what is inductive effect, and let us see few applications of inductive effect. First thing, if I take an inorganic molecule HCl, you can see here hydrogen is less electronegative than chlorine. Because of that reason, this is a bonded pair of electron. This bonded pair of electron will be attracted by the chlorine towards itself. Because of that reason, chlorine will develop a partial negative charge and hydrogen will get a partial positive charge. This is said to be polarization. So this molecule is polarized. Similarly, if you take any molecules which are having electronegative difference between the atoms, you can see the polarization effect. Coming to the organic molecules, if I take a carbon chain attached to a electronegative element like chlorine, this is a bonded pair of electron. That too, what type of bond it is? Sigma bond. It will attract the bonded pair of electron towards itself because chlorine can pull those pair of electrons towards itself. Because of that reason, chlorine used to get a partial negative charge. The adjacent carbon will get a partial positive charge. Okay, and whenever this carbon is having partial positive charge, furtherly it will pull the electron pair towards itself. Okay, then what happens? This will develop a little more, only partial part of this charge. Okay, so here when compared with this carbon used to have less charge on it. Similarly, furtherly this will undergo in this way. Okay, if it develops like this in a chain form, then we call it as inductive effect. Okay, polarization of organic molecules is observed whenever the groups such as electron withdrawing or electron donating. Okay, electron withdrawing or electron donating groups are attached to carbon chain. Generally what we find inductive effect. If the group is electron withdrawing means electron it was taking, attracting, then we call it as minus I effect. And if they donate electron, they used to get a positive charge, we know it is a plus I effect. So this is an example for minus I effect, because here chlorine is withdrawing the electron, shifting of bonded pair of electrons towards an atom, and it will continue up to this inductive effect. You can find maximum 4 carbons. After that, this effect is negligible. And if the group that is attached to this, it's a permanent effect. So inductive effect is a permanent effect that we find in the molecules, and this inductive effect is due to the electron withdrawing or electron donating group, not because of the reagents or other reactants. Understand? And here, because of this effect, what happened? One end of the carbon molecule or this molecule is getting negative charge and the other end is getting partial positive charge. Means one end is having negative charge, the other end is getting positive charge. So it is a permanent effect, and this effect decreases with increasing size, decreases with increasing chain length. Means what? For example, if I take, then here the pulling effect will be more. But in case of the same thing, if I take you can see here the bond pulling nature here 1, 2, 3, 4, but here only 2. Here it is less. Means with increasing the chain number of carbons, generally the effect decreases. Okay, so whenever there is a withdrawing group, it will get a minus I, and when there is a donating group like methyl, you see, then what happened? Methyl will donate electrons and it will develop a partial positive charge and it will develop a partial negative. Furtherly, to decrease that, it will develop negative charge and it's a chain reaction. And generally this effect we find in case sigma bond polarization, because sigma bond polarization inductive effect will be erased. Sigma bond polarization. So by using this inductive effect, example for electron withdrawing groups are halogens, carboxylic acid, phenol, electron withdrawing groups, phenol, carboxylic acid, cyanide, all these are electron withdrawing groups. Halogens, electron donating group, example for electron donating group, alkyl groups like methyl, they can be taken as an example for electron donating groups. Now let us see what are the applications of this inductive effect. Application part, let us see. This is a general discussion how an inductive effect will be erased in a chain of molecules. You can see it is increasing through this way. First thing is I am going to explain how can we explain stability of carbocations. Not only this, stability of so many organic molecules can be explained based on inductive effect. One of the example I am going to take here is carbocation. So take a carbocation which is attached to primary carbocation, secondary and tertiary. This is a tertiary carbocation. Okay, here if you see, is this having any electron withdrawing groups or electron donating groups attached to this? No. So there is no I effect here. But in this case, if you see, methyl group is attached. Methyl means it is showing plus I effect. It is showing plus I effect. It will donate pair of electron to this carbon, and this carbon is electron deficient, positive charge. When it is donating electron to this, somehow the partial positive charge will be neutralized. Not completely, only a little bit. So because of that reason, what happens? The stability of this will be more than this. And in this case, if you see, two methyl groups are attached. So this is showing a plus I effect, and this is also showing plus I effect. So furtherly, more electron densities coming onto the electron deficient carbon. So furtherly, the stability increases. And in this case, there are three plus I affecting groups. So furtherly, the stability increases. So the order of stability will be in this: tertiary, followed by secondary, followed by primary, and followed by methyl. Okay, this is first example. One more example, I will take the same methyl attached to a chlorine, attached to two chlorines, and attached to three chlorines. And in this case, you see here no I effect. Okay, fine. But coming to this, chlorine is a electron withdrawing group. So minus I effect means already it has it is electron deficient. Further, it is taking up the electrons towards itself. Means charge on the carbocation will furtherly increases. So stability decreases. So how can we write? How can we simply say stability? General stability increases with decrease in charge. Decrease in charge. Similarly, in this case, there are two Cls. Okay, so minus I effect they are showing. When they attract furtherly these things, what happens? Charge on the carbocation will furtherly increases. Whenever charge increases, stability decreases. Here, three groups are there. Three groups are there. They are attracting like this, minus I groups. So furtherly stability decrease. Stability